threshold is the door threshold. There's one hide in here.
A lot of feet.
You're good. Okay, find it. No.
Oh, it's not?
No. Let's try not to break it either. Good. That was pretty convincing, though, I gotta tell you. Good. That was very convincing.
Did you touch that?
No.
No? I was just
It's
curious.
one thing I didn't touch. It's brass polish or something. Good, nice. Yes. That did kind of fake her. I don't know. I've never seen her really do a fake out. That was kind of a fake out.